Rishad was a bright young man, always eager to learn and excel. However, a deep-seated shame gnawed at him. His parents were poor, struggling to make ends meet. They lived in a small, dilapidated house in a neglected part of town, their clothes worn and their faces etched with the lines of hardship. Rishad longed to escape this reality, to shed the label of poverty that clung to him like a shadow. He excelled in school, determined to prove his worth and climb the social ladder. He befriended wealthy classmates, carefully concealing his family's circumstances. He'd make excuses to avoid bringing friends home, inventing elaborate stories about being busy with extracurricular activities. He even started to feel a pang of embarrassment whenever his parents appeared at school events, their simple attire and hesitant demeanor a stark contrast to the polished sophistication of the other parents. As he grew older, Rishad built a successful career, marrying into a wealthy family. He moved into a luxurious mansion, surrounded by the trappings of wealth. Yet, the emptiness within him grew. He felt a constant need to impress, to prove his worth to the world. He built a life based on appearances, always striving for more, always chasing the next social victory. One day, his elderly parents fell ill. Rishad, consumed by his own affairs, delegated their care to hired nurses. He visited them infrequently, his visits brief and awkward, tainted by a lingering sense of discomfort. He felt a growing distance from them, a chasm widening between his opulent life and their simple existence. Then, tragedy struck. His father suffered a stroke, leaving him paralyzed and dependent on others. His mother, overwhelmed by grief and the demands of caring for her ailing husband, succumbed to a heart attack. Rishad, consumed by guilt and regret, finally confronted the reality of his actions. He realized that his pursuit of wealth and social acceptance had come at a devastating cost. He had sacrificed his relationship with his parents, the people who loved him unconditionally, for fleeting social approval. He had allowed shame to dictate his actions, leading him down a path of isolation and emptiness. Rishad's story serves as a poignant reminder that true happiness cannot be bought with money or social status. It lies in genuine human connection, in cherishing the bonds of family and embracing one's roots, regardless of their humble origins. Disclaimer: this story is a fictional narrative and does not reflect the views or beliefs of the author. This story explores the harmful consequences of allowing shame to dictate one's actions. It emphasizes the importance of family and the enduring value of genuine human connection over material possessions.